Hey, y'all, join me on a Jerry's art supply run. Today I was in town getting my COVID booster, and honestly, anytime I'm within about 10 minutes from a Jerry's, no matter what, I will pop in. Luckily, I could think of a few things I needed, but I also wanted to show you some of my favorite supplies. Here's the Golden Open series. This is a more workable acrylic paint, so if you struggle with the dry time, I can't recommend this series enough. I was also really excited to see that they have the Holben Aqua Oils. I love these. I've been playing around with aqua oils. I'm trying to go plastic-free, solvent-free in my practice, and these have been super helpful, and I was just thinking that I needed a lemon yellow, so here we are, perfect timing. And then I wanted to show you guys some of my favorite brushes and tools. I really like this shape of palette knife, and I also got one of these silicoil things because I'm trying to paint solvent free, and this is great for holding my cleaning oil. And then I wanted to show you guys some of my favorite brushes. I love this synthetic hog hair, and of course the Da Vinci brand panels. I've loved these for years, so I picked up some of those and threw them in my cart. And of course then I also have my little helper who's helping me to check out, and that's my Jerry's run.